What's going on, folks? Taking a look here this morning at Casper. We will also take a quick look over at XRP. Getting some downside move once again this morning, down 4.5%. Looks like we're sitting at 354 for Casper. Yesterday's video, I discussed a couple different scenarios that could play out for Casper. Perhaps we're seeing something or one of those scenarios playing out right now. So I mentioned the low on the 12th, pretty important. Would like to see that hold. But I said what could be playing out now is a higher low. And perhaps that's playing out right now. Getting a pretty good move to the downside. Maybe it will print that higher low. And then what usually follows is a very strong move back to the upside. So pretty important. Of course, that does not have to play out. We could be seeing further downside action. We could stop on that area from the 12th. That low was, looks like 300. We could pull back further and do a double bottom and then move. That's one of the scenarios. We could also pull back, undercut that low at 300 as a shakeout, and then move higher. So, but right now, as we are trading back up, putting in a nice wick here, maybe this is the higher low. So if we go back in time a bit over into July and August of last year, sharp pullback, reaction move, higher low, and then a very, very big move back to the upside. Came back and retested those highs, moved higher once again. Sharp pullback, reaction up. Question is this the higher low? So it definitely could be something to keep on your radar. If it starts to trade back up here, we could see a break above these highs, leading to a very, very strong move to the upside. Probably back up to these levels here at the mid fives. So just something to keep in mind as we watch this unfold here. It could be one of what looks like about 3 different scenarios playing out for Casper. Over to XRP. Same kind of thing. Sharp move to the downside. Put in a nice wick on the 12th. We're wedging down here, which is kind of a bullish pattern. Somewhere in here, maybe today, maybe not, will we print a higher low and then start to move back up, probably back up into this 60-cent range, maybe find a little bit of resistance up there. So just keep your eye on that for XRP as well as Casper. So for XRP, we could see something like this being played out as well. So we had a sharp move down here. Looks like June in 21, rallied up, started to wedge down. Actually tested those lows, putting a double bottom, and then we saw a big move up into the end of July and August. So question is, which one will take place? Will we print a higher low? Will we double bottom? Will we undercut that low and then rally? Will neither of those play out? Will we just continue to head lower? So just taking a look back at the charts and what has happened in the past and lying out a couple of the scenarios that could be taking place here. Let's go back to Casper. So that is what I'm looking for as we head into the holiday weekend here. Today's Thursday, the 26th. We should see. This should be interesting here. Maybe we undercut the low, head back down to this 3 level or even lower, which correlates with this bar over here. Time will tell. Found support on the 12th there, and then had a reaction up. That definitely expected to see that, but got to have some patience here as these markets, as well as Casper, grinds everybody up with time and price. So that is my thoughts here on the markets. Not too much has changed. We're getting a little bit more of a move than we saw yesterday. Let's see if we print a higher low. Who really knows? Time will tell. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and consider doing so. Let me know your thoughts down in the video comments. I will get back to you guys. All right. Take care. Have a fantastic Thursday. Markets are wild. Could be a wild day for the stock market. Usually can be after a Fed meeting, which was yesterday. So let's see what happens here. All right. Take care.